Today I'm going to be showing you 3 projects that sold way better than I expected and one that didn't sell at all for me. Project number 1 is almost comically simple, and I have sold over 30 of these since I started making them. It's a small plant shelf based on the traditional design of a sconce, a wall-mounted fixture for holding a candle or a light. In modern woodworking, this has evolved to also include plants and other things. There are tons of different ways that you can make these a little bit more intricate. I've done Valentine's versions of these as well, but on most basic level, it's a 1x6, approximately 12 inches tall with a 5-inch long piece attached to it. I use pocket hole screws from the back, and like all the projects I talk about in this video, I have full videos on my channel. Project number 2, at the time I made this, I had seen a whole bunch of videos claiming vast sales on projects just like this. At its core, it's a block of wood with 2 dados, one on each side, with some decorative angles. So I pulled out my treasured piece of purple heart that I've been holding on to, and I tried making a phone stand. Originally I had it posted for $40, and after a couple weeks I decided I was going to take it down, and I kept it for myself. And honestly, I haven't looked back. I use it every single day, but this one did not work for me. Alright, for project number 3. Now, I'm not going to claim that this bookhouse had a ton of sales. I had sold between 7 and 10, but I learned an important lesson about taking deposits for custom versions. And I keep one of these around the shop for that reason. That being said, this idea seemed really out there and I did not think it would work at all. So when it did, well, I was very surprised. And 1 8-foot 1x6 can make 2 of these, and they're super easy to put together. Project number 4. This was a project from another YouTuber. Try and guess who it's from. I bet you won't get it right. This project is a bench. It's 48 inches long. It's made by 1 2x4 and 2 2x6s and 2 1x4s. I've also replaced the 1x4s with live edge boards as well, and it goes together like a gigantic finger joint. It's easily assembled with just pocket hole screws. You can glue if you want, but I have a couple in my kitchen and I did not use glue on those, and the seams are as tight as they can be. I never expected to sell it, or this many of them, and I've sold so many of these at this point in time, even a set of 4 to a restaurant, which as a garage builder was really cool, and it kind of made me feel like a real woodworker. Well, I hope you put your guess in the comments of who it was, but it was 731 Woodworks. Yeah, the tool guy. He used to make lots of build projects. As I mentioned before, if any of these projects seem interesting to you and you want to check them out, I have full videos. They'll be posted in the description. And if there's one video of mine that I would recommend over any of these, it's actually my most recent video. I think it's a really good one. Now, of that project, I did not quite sell one before the video was uploaded. It was a pending pickup, but I have now sold all 3, which is actually really cool because it's only been like 4 days, and that'll be right here. And if there's nothing else, I will see you in the next one.